All right, you all, this is a continuation of the Silverado. So I've been commissioned to continue to utilize the same vehicle all the way up to this point now. As you know, from the time that I had the vehicle, I was driving this vehicle to continue to do services. And as you can see, I'm still continuing services and delivery driving services as well. So you all, I just want to continue to show you that doing the services as a delivery service driver allows you to do this locally. And this is where you can make anywhere between $500 to $5,000 to $10,000 extra a month. I like to say extra per month because you're actually scaling yourself in different angles based on whatever you have. So you may not have a vehicle, you may already have a vehicle, or you may need to get more gigs or more clientele. This is all just strategy that we're talking right now. So we're showing you different ways how this can work for you without Amazon, without Uber, without Lyft, without driving different corporations or companies first, but actually starting your own company first, and then maybe adding on some of those different angles of extra things that you can do. But you all stay tuned. I'm going to continue to show you more updates. Yes, it's the brand new Chevy Silverado that you're able to use and make as a delivery service vehicle for yourself if necessary. So this goes as far as Lowe's, or it goes as far as Home Depot, or any of these places. Stay tuned. Peace.